So hey guys, as you can see that I have taken this trade on the basis of indicator, but main thing is I've taken this trade, mainly because I matched with data. If you don't have data like this, you telling whether people are buying or people are selling, how much is volume is there. So don't take trade on the basis of indicator because in one trade you make money, in another you will lose the money. So what is the point? So if you want to earn really good money, you have to have a certain access to these kind of data. Otherwise, you will lose money. And as you can see that your buyer strength is 52 and seller strength is 48%. As you can see that that's why I have taken this trade and I made a good money. And as you can see that the price hit the target. So you have to remember that the main thing is data. Otherwise, don't take. Otherwise, you will lose money. And let me show you my Bingx account. As you can see that this is my Bingx account. You may go to the copy trading and search crypto chill and check the standard features. And as you can see that I'm making a little small money and it's good. I'm hitting my all targets. So it's a good day, guys. You may go to the copy trading. There is a copy trading on Bingx. Copy trading. Search the name crypto chill in here, and you may earn the very good profit by subscribing to my account, and I will be your lead trader, and you may earn a very good profit like this as I shown you. So remember that if you want to really want to earn good money, you may have to copy my trades. Otherwise, you will lose money because you don't have any access to these kinds of datas. And if you don't want to lose, just copy my trades. So okay, bye bye guys.